Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very nice day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume, and volume is remaining very strong, especially when you look back on Wednesday's volume. So good stuff there. Now, the one little buzzkill is that, the last 30 minutes of the day, big spike to the downside, and this is not like it was some sort of low volume spike. The volume came pouring into. Now, this really all just depends on, how should you view that? Well, it depends on your perspective, meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right around here because you're looking for some sort of breakout, well, then yeah, as a day trader, that's not good at all. That changes the landscape of the chart quite a bit for you. But if you're somebody that just cares about the general scheme of it all, the big picture, then yeah, that level, that's not pleasant to see. But the overall trend is still, plenty up. And the easiest way to demonstrate from a technical point of view that the trend is still, plenty in the bull's favor is just to use the purple line right there, which on my chart, it's a very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And you can see that this thing has still got a plenty strong upward slope to it. So, from that angle of things, one candle, 30-minute period of time doesn't destroy an entire chart. Now, who knows? Maybe this is the start of something bigger. I don't know. Nobody knows that. But my point is just because that happened doesn't mean that all of a sudden the entire chart's destroyed. You can't allow one 30-minute section to all of a sudden dictate, the entire chart. So, going forward, though, 48 cents still remains that level of support. That comes from a previous video I did on this one. And then again, just continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. That is what is being represented there. As far as areas of resistance are now concerned moving forward, first key level on any sort of, movement back to the upside, going to be right up there at that 65-cent mark. So all in all, big picture-wise, the chart looks great. Yeah, that 30 minutes was a little bit of a buzzkill, but the trend remains in the bulls' favor.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.